Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a VPN on your Eero router in 2025. Let's get started. Before we begin, I want to be upfront about a key limitation and recommend a great solution. Eero routers, on their own, do not support installing VPN software directly. However, there is a very effective workaround that gives you VPN protection for your entire network. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. So, how do we get a VPN on an Eero system? The solution is to use a second VPN-compatible router that connects to your main Eero network. This secondary router will run the VPN and create a separate, secure Wi-Fi network for your devices. For this guide, I'll use a popular and user-friendly option, an ASUS router. First, take your ASUS router and connect it to a power source. Then, using an Ethernet cable, connect one of its LAN ports to one of the LAN ports on your Eero router. This physically bridges the two networks. Now, let's configure the VPN on the ASUS router. On a computer connected to the ASUS router's network, open a web browser. In the address bar, type the router's IP address. For most ASUS models, this is 192.168.1.1. Press Enter, and you'll see the login screen. Enter the administrator username and password, which are often admin for both if you haven't changed them. Once logged into the router's control panel, look for the VPN section in the menu on the left. Click on it, and then make sure you are on the VPN Client tab. Here, you will click the Add Profile button at the bottom of the page. In the new window that pops up, select the Open VPN tab. Now, we need to get the specific details from NordVPN. Go to the NordVPN website and log into your account. Navigate to the Manual Setup section. Here, you will do two crucial things. First, go to the Credentials tab to find your unique service username and password for manual setups. Copy these and paste them into the corresponding fields in your ASUS router's OpenVPN setup window. Second, go to the Locations tab and download an OpenVPN configuration file for your desired server country. I recommend choosing the UDP version for better speed. Back in the router settings, click Choose File and upload the OpenVPN configuration file you just downloaded. You can also give this connection a descriptive name in the description field, like NordVPN UK Server. Click OK to save the profile. You will now see your new profile listed. Simply click the Activate button next to it. The status should change, indicating a successful connection. Now, any device you connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by this ASUS router will be automatically protected by NordVPN, while devices connected to your original Eero network will not. And that's the complete workaround. While Eero doesn't support VPNs natively, this two-router method is a robust and effective solution. For a seamless experience with this setup, I once again recommend NordVPN. Its reliable connections and straightforward manual configuration make it the ideal choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and start securing your entire home network today.